In today's show, Postland's Bob tells us what he really thinks of the blizzard.
This sucks balls.
And Will Smith auditions for X Factor.
West Philadelphia, born and raised. This playground's where I spend most of my days.
You're watching the blizzard? Okay, so I spent all last season trying to track down this guy. He rides for Monster Energy. We found him at Den Haag at Rocket Rail Contest. His name is Halldor Helgason.
Okay, no to bow, what the hell was it about?
It was about snowboarding.
What is no to bow?
No tobo, nobody really knows. That's the crazy mystery behind there, man. No tobo, you know what I'm toboing about?
I know what you're tobbling around about. It's a bit chocolatey, it's a bit nutty. Speaking of nutty, look at his mustache. How long have you been growing that mutter?
I believe it's 2 months. Around 2 months right now.
You got some wax on that?
I do not, man. And nobody believes it's real, but like, it's 100% real, I can tell you that much.
Impressive. You up close. I tell you, you look marvelous, darling. Thank you very much.
I heard that if you lose a bet with you, you make someone drink a shot from your scrotum. Is this true?
That's no, that's not when you lose a bat, man. It's just the bird bath.
Do you want to tell us what the bird bath is?
I have a bad feeling about this.
You make like a, you know, bird bath when you see in the backyard the birds like drink from that?
Yeah.
You make like a small little bath out of your ball sack, and then you put a tequila in there, and then you make somebody drink it, and they don't need the salt because the salt is already in your balls because you've been dancing all night or something, you know?
That's disgusting.
It's a lot of people have done the bird bath now. It's insane, yeah.
Bringing the bird bath to the masses. Thanks, Halldor.
Thank you, thank you.
I don't think any of us are ever going to look at a bird bath in the same way. Thank you, Halldor, you absolute legend. Okay, it's time to give away €150. It's pound of flesh time. And the winner is, this week, Tom Pickamoles from Düsseldorf. Pickamole.
What you do is take the lid off the head and strain away that liquid.
You got knocked the fuck out, man!
Man versus Rail, the Rail won. And if you've got a heavy slam like that, send it into the blizzard at EpicTV.com. And I'm going to give you €150 for the EpicTV shop. Okay, it's the final movie review. It's Nitro Snowboards. It's BadSeeds. I found this quite entertaining.
And now it's time for the OnePiece movie review with Noel and Ian from the Reason magazine.
Yes, BadSeeds. Nothing to do with Nick Cave. Movie by Nitro. Let's get this rolling, buddy.
Get this little fella going. Here we go.
Didn't have TVs in Ireland. Friggin' amazing. That's what your season should be. Powder, urban, partying, girls, getting sick.
We travelled all around the world as a team. Rather than having individual rider parts, it was just fun from start to finish, and it was a full-on celebration of snowboarding.
Awesomeness, powderness, redness. The total gnarly score is...
I don't think we're going to do any more movie reviews because we're really shit at it. Yeah, well, got popcorn.
You gotta learn, haven't you?
That's it for today's show. Make sure you send us your slams to the blizzard at EpicTV.com. Thursday, we've got Epic Double Tap. Hashtag. We'll see you all then. Walla shakalala, bro.
I'm causing trouble in my neighborhood. One little fight.
You ain't down with that? Shut your goddamn ass up!